Guys,
Congratulations, Kunal. Kunal is going to be a great dad. I saw you with Mir. You were
and
fat.
Devika
is going to be
a super duper mother.
super duper storyteller. And your kid is going to have a lot of fun with you. And Gautam is very excited.
Gautam wants to say something.
Gautam wants to say something. Gautam will share some tips soon. We love you guys.
And I can't share any tips.
And Sushi, Kit Kat, Meow are going to have the ball of their life. So,
Congrats, guys.
Congratulations.
Hey Kunal and Devika, man, you're going to be parents. Time flies. Well, here's congratulating the both of you. You know, and I'm sure you guys are going to make great parents. Obviously, because you love the doggies the way you do and the cats. So there's a lot of love that you have in, amongst the both of you. Great dad, great mom, and wow, man. Congratulations. Many, many congratulations.
Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Khanna and soon to be parents. Congratulations, guys. We all are so excited for this next journey of life that you guys are going to experience. It's going to be amazing. It's so beautiful and surreal to have something growing inside you. I mean, I can't believe it just feels like yesterday. I was playing with, my friend Devika. We've been chuddy buddies and she's going to be actually changing diapers in a couple of months. So yeah, I'm very excited that I'm going to become an aunt. Can't wait for the baby to come. And I hope, Devika, you're doing fine, your health is good. Also, I think you're going to make a great strict mom, and Kunal looks like he's going to be a fun, mischievous dad. But I'm sure, you guys will do a great job. So congratulations once again and take care. Bye-bye.
Hey Kunal, hey Devika. Congratulations are in order as you're going to be proud parents soon. I'm pretty sure that you are prepared for it, but nothing beats practical experience rather than training. So be prepared for a lot of late nights, a lot of plans cancelled because you have to spend more time with your child. But I can just tell you one thing, that it's going to be totally worth it. Having a child in your life is one of the best experiences you're going to have, and I'm pretty sure you're going to do a great job. Devika is a natural. She's a natural mother, and I've seen her around kids, and I've seen her play with Samaira, and I think she's going to be an excellent mother. And of course, Kunal, you're going to be an excellent dad as well, and you're going to have a great time. I mean, you have your parents right around the corner, and I'm sure they're going to shower the kid with all the love and blessings. And of course, we are around to give you any moral support. Kunal, be ready for late nights. थोड़ा कभी drink पी के घर जाके भी late night करना पड़ेगा because your child will be awake. But you'll get used to it. और कभी नींद नहीं आया तो हमको phone कर लेना, आ जाएंगे हम भी drink के लिए. But all jokes aside, you're gonna have a blast, and the child brings a lot of love, a lot of luck. It creates a lot of bonding in the family, and you get to relive your childhood all over again, and you get to play all these games that you probably didn't play when you were kids, and it's one of the best, most fulfilling experiences. And I'm sure you're going to have a great time, Devika and Kunal, and wishing you all the best. And of course, we'll be there with you throughout this journey, and we look forward to welcoming the new member to our family. And that's it. Take care. Yeah? We are right around the corner, and all the best to you guys. Take care. See you.
Hi guys, this is Take 22. We are so happy and excited for the arrival of the baby. Many, many, many congratulations. Unfortunately, we can't be there, so these video wishes will have to do.
Yeah, you'll just have to make do with this. I'm sure you guys are super excited to start this new chapter of your lives, and we are so happy for you. Devika, I can't wait to be a Masi and to spoil the baby with gifts and goodies and candy, and you can, take the boring parts of parenting, like being the disciplinarian for the baby. But we really wish we could have been there with you. In the meantime though, please stay safe, stay healthy, take care. And Kunal, I'm sure you're taking great care of Devika because she is literally glowing nowadays. So keep that up. And we really hope to see you both plus the baby really, really soon. Love you guys. Take
Love
care.
you guys. God bless.
Hi Devika and Kuni. So happy for both of you and so excited and eagerly waiting for the little one. Get ready for some sleepless nights and also a lot of fun with the little one. Till then, lots of love from 2B Chachu. Take care and stay safe. Love you.
Hi Devika and Kunal. Firstly, big congratulations to becoming parents really soon. This year is going to be really exciting for you guys, especially after the horrible year that we've had, the last one. And I've actually seen you guys be parents to the most loving parents to Sushi and also now the 2 new cats that you all have. So there's no doubt that you guys are going to be great with this child that is coming in. Congratulations again. I can't wait to meet and spoil the little one. See you guys.
Congratulations Kunal and Devika. Congratulations guys.
Congratulations.
This is exactly what's going to happen to you soon. They're going to be driving you up the wall.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're going to make amazing parents.
And I'm sure that you are going to
Don't
be
say
the
no.
most amazing mom and dad ever.
We are so excited guys. We can't wait to see the baby.
Hi! It's so exciting that the due date is so close. I hope you're really excited too. I'm sure you are. I know it's a weird time with this COVID and how all of us are so distant and we're not meeting enough. But your kid is going to be so lucky to spend so much family time and also so lucky to be constantly surrounded by cats and dogs. I'm sure you're going to be great parents and I can't wait. I hope to see you soon.
Congratulations guys. Welcome to the club. I'm so happy for the both of you. And maybe just one word of advice. Through all the opinions and all the advice that you're going to get from everyone on raising babies and kids and throw them out of the window. This is your own DIY project. Have fun at it. I'm sure you're going to be really good at it. You're going to make super cool parents. Devika, I wish you good health, physically, mentally, emotionally. I'm sure Kunal is going to be with you every step of the way, and can't wait to see the 3 of you together. And God bless. Fingers crossed. Hope to hear good news fairly soon. Take care. Loads of hugs and kisses.
Hey Devika, hey Kunal. Congratulations guys on your new arrival. We are all super excited and super elated that you guys are expecting this new member in your family. And more than us, Samaira's excited to have this little one, and she always keeps talking about, oh mama, that little baby that auntie has, no, when will it come out? So we are all really looking forward, and it's a fun phase in life, and it's going to be really exciting, and congratulate you guys again and hope to see the baby soon.
Have fun.
Congratulations.
Congratulations guys.
Enjoy the baby shower.
Enjoy the baby shower.
Have fun.
Have fun.
And are we guessing, is it going to be a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Boy. Okay, we're guessing it's a boy. We can't wait to meet you guys and see the baby soon.
And we are going to have a different sort of a 3 a.m. party from now on. Have fun, Kunal, Devika. Congratulations and look forward to seeing the baby soon.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Congratulations, baby and Pautia.
Congratulations, Kunal and Devika. So happy for you guys. I'm sure you guys will make amazing parents. 2 more months to go and you'll have your baby in your arms. Just make sure you're enjoying every moment. Take loads of pics. Just follow your instincts, as every small thing with the baby will look like, very big at that point of time. But just enjoy it and make sure you make time for each other. Whoever said sleep like a baby was lying. because you'll have loads of sleepless nights, and there'll be times when you'll be folding your hands and saying, "Soja, bache, soja."
Soja mere baap.
Actually, yeah, that would be the case.
Yeah,
as
meri
well.
maa.
But it'll be all worth it. There's, trust me, you can't imagine the amount of love your heart can hold until you've held your baby in your arms and you've looked into his or her eyes, and she's looked into your eyes, or he's looked into your eyes like you're the only person in the world for him or her. Can't wait for your baby Khanna to be here.
So that, baby Khanna and baby Kabir will be best friends like my baby and me. We are eagerly waiting. All the best.
We're so happy for you guys. Lots of love to both of you and baby bump at the moment. But can't wait to hold your baby in our arms and
spoil him.
Yes, exactly. Spoil him. Exactly. Yes, Kunal. That's for you.
Lots of love. Take care.
Bye,
all the
guys.
best.
All the best. Bye bye. Lots of love from Kabir.
Wait.
Okay.
Bye.
That's it. Bye.
Hi.
Hi.
So excited.
Yeah, me too.
I'm going to become a mommy.
Yeah, even me. I'm like a mama, right? Oh, that's soon, huh? Like very quick.
Very soon. And we are outing for a baby girl. What are you?
Yeah, I'm always there. Whatever decisions you
We're
make.
rooting for a baby girl.
Yeah.
Yay. Someone like me.
I'm really excited. Okay, I'm going to be the one to spoil her.
Okay, let's see that. Okay, good luck, and we always
We
here
love
for
you.
We love you.
Mwah.
Bye.
Cheers, I'm going to be nanny and
Congratulations to Khannas, specifically Kunal and Devika. They are giving birth to child. It's vice versa. Child is giving birth to Dada, Dadi, Nana, Nani, Kaka, Kaki, Chacha, Chachi and unlimited. Welcome 2021. 3 cheers for Khannas.
cheers. 3 cheers. मैं नानी बनने वाली हूँ. मुझे गुड़िया इतनी जल्दी बुड्ढा बना दी है नानी बनाकर. Come on, anything is welcome. Baba or your baby. I'll be Nana, Nani if I'm Baba. फिर से
मैंने जो बोलना था बोल दिया. मेरे को अभी नहीं, मेरे हो गया मैंने जो बोलना था.
Hi Devika Masi and Kunal Masa.
Hello.
We're so excited for the newest member of the Tufan clan.
Congratulations, guys.
Hey Kunal and Devika, just wanted to wish you guys, congratulate you guys for the baby and wish you all the best for everything. I'm not there to celebrate with all of you guys there, unfortunately, but I'm here having a glass of wine on my own in the apartment and thinking of you guys and wishing you all the best, and I'm so excited to be an uncle, and I can't wait to come and see the baby as soon as possible. And I love Arjun, Avantika, my other 2 nieces, and I'm looking forward to having another niece or nephew, which is going to be fantastic. So best for everything, and congratulations again, and I'll sit for you guys. Bye.
Hi Devika and Kunal, congratulations. This is one of the best news you could have given us in the last few years, and I'm so excited. I still remember the day when I saw you for the first time, Kunal, in that little tub, that little tiny thing, and now that experience is going to get repeated with you. I hope the kid gets the strength from both of you. I love both of you, and as parental advice, I would like to tell you that always be soft-spoken with your child. Never shout at your child, and never have too many expectations. Ask them to do their best, but don't put them the pressure of being the best.
वाह, मजा आ गया. अब मैं दादा बनने वाला हूँ. वाह, है ये तो मानेंगी नहीं है, दादी बन रही हैं, लेकिन ये बड़ी माँ बन रही हैं, लेकिन मैं दादा बन रहा हूँ. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि समवन इज गोइंग टू कॉल मी दादा, 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 दादा. और बच्चे लोग बहुत खुशी है. हमारे जनरेशन में एक नई पैदाइश आ रही है अगली, और आप लोग उसकी अच्छी सी देखभाल करो, और हम लोग उसको एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं. वो मोमेंट को हम देख रहे हैं इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि कब वो जल्दी से आए और हम वो बच्चे को अपनी गोद में लें. All the best, both the bachches. Looking forward to the new day in our life.
Me too.
Hi, Kunal and Devika. I hope you enjoyed this video from your closest family and friends. I wanted to wish you both the heartiest congratulations. You guys are going to be the best parents in the world. And I'm going to be the most rocking bua this child has ever had. I'm going to be the cool aunt. I'm going to be the mother this child never thought he's going to have. And, you know, right from childhood, I have loved kids. I've always wanted to be a mother, but I am so glad that I get an opportunity to be a mother through this child, through both of you. So thank you for bringing this bundle of joy into our house. You know, Kunal has been like a son to me ever since he was born. So imagine what I'm going to do with this child. Just imagine. All the fun that I wanted to have with my own child, I'm going to have with this one. And I'm so excited to be a bua very soon in the next few months. Congratulations. Please have a very safe delivery. Please enjoy this child. Please enjoy being parents. And I think it's going to be a very exciting new phase coming into the Khanna family. Koi to is family ka naam roshan kare. I am so excited. Love to both of you.